Hello guys, another video. Just going to be a fairly quick one. This Seat Leon 2021 plate, so fairly new. Had an issue with the reversing camera, and it's had the reverse camera replaced due to it being faulty for some reason. But now there's an issue with when it's put into reverse, which will just the camera is not working, and it's not giving off the well, it's not showing the actual reversing image on there. It's been scanned up and it's showing as a dataset invalid fault and a coding fault. So when you get these new modules and you put them in, they do need coding and putting a dataset on there to say what car it's for and what parameters it needs. So we'll just show you that now on here, going through ODIS and showing you how we're going to code it in. So here we are, just scanning the vehicle. It's doing everything automatically because we've got the online access. So it's going to run through the specific test plan, or show all the scan all the modules, show what fault codes are stored, and then we'll be able to have a look at the test plan and see what needs doing. But I'll specifically show you what the actual fault codes are showing on the camera module so we can fix that issue itself. So here the test plan has been created. We're specifically looking at these 3 faults here. So we're going to go ahead and get the control unit coded in, obviously because it's a brand new part, basic settings, and then the data record, etc. We're just going to get that done. So that's all on the 6C module. So we'll get them into that menu and get it all calibrated, coded, and the basic settings complete. So we've gone through the function of replacing the control unit, because that's what's been done. And after replacing the control module, we'll perform the software configuration and calibrate the control module. So we'll just run through that. That's what it's put into the test plan for us. So we're just going to do the software configuration here, run that test plan via diagnostics address, and we know it's 6C. That's the one for the camera. That should pick everything up on there. It's going to run through it, get all the data from online. There you go. It'll be updated to a more recent version. It's going to parameterize it, and it should do the coding, etc. And we should be all sorted. As it puts the car into sort of programming mode, it will throw a few errors, but they will go away. Now it's just coding the camera system, then hopefully just a calibration, and everything should be perfectly fine. So it's auto switched off the ignition. Let's auto put it back on. Excuse me. That's it. Says everything's been updated to a recent version. Rear view camera system, and the coding is okay.